begin my presentation, so please bear with me. Alright, for my for my independent study, I'm doing veterinary science course, and so by the end of it, I can get my vet tech assistant certification. And so there's a course. Okay, go back. I'm not done. Go back. So I can get my certification. I have to complete a book. It has 18 chapters in it, and it has there's sections at the end. There's questions and activities you need to do. And so I've been doing that, and then there's also 500 clinical skills hours that I have to do with veterinarians. All right, so there's the chapter I did for this first part. The section was about handling and restraining animals. And so the most I learned was handling and restraining the snakes, because I didn't know a whole lot about that in reptiles. So you have to be sure you can't cause injuries. You have to make sure you hold them correctly, because you can't just hold one part of them. You have to hold like all of them, like all of it, and you don't let it wrap around your neck. It's bad. That's in the book. Next slide. And then for my questions, on research questions, I was researching like chameleons. It's the reptiles, and I don't know a whole lot about that, so I was researching chameleons. So this one is, why do they change color? And they actually don't change color to splendid of your surrounding most of the time. It's actually just, they have all the chameleons, there's either green, brown, and blue, like they can change between those three colors, or they can change between a whole bunch of different colors, like yellow, and that's like yellow, and it has red, green, brown, and blue. And they can change, and that's actually because of the pigments in their skin. So and it shows that the light, temperature, and like their mood, it's like if they're stressed, they can change to a different color, and it just sort of depends how they are, and if they're relaxed, they're in a different color, and it just depends on the type of chameleon it is. And, okay, next slide, Katie. And so they change color, they have a pigment in their skin, and it's called chromatophores. And so there's a top layer, there's layers of it, and the top layers are red and yellow, have red and yellow pigments in them, and the lower layers have blue and white pigments. And this is just for most of them. And they change color when they get a message from the brain, because the brain will shrink or expand the cells, and when the cells are expand, it shows that color. And if they're shrink, it doesn't show that color. So that's how they change their color. And cell colors, like they mix kind of together, like kind of like puppy mixes. All right, next one. I don't know if this will work. Okay, so this is one. Wait, can you pause it for a second? Pause it. So this is chameleons. They have like these really long tongues. It's almost 2 times the size of their body. This is how they capture like grasshoppers or insects and stuff. This is a really cool video. It has like in slow motion.
Striking her terms of 50 feet a second. And it comes totally.
Katie. And this is the changing color, and it puts it